good evening and welcome to Pony Television English News at 6:30. I'm Loving Rimai giving you the latest news update. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today extends his heartiest greetings to the nursing fraternity of Manipur on the occasion of International Nurses Day. The Chief Minister noted that the day marks the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, also known as the Lady with the Lamp. In his statement, the Chief Minister said that nurses have always been at the forefront in healthcare and play a crucial role in educating patients and the public. He also commended their role in battling the COVID-19 pandemic, adding that the nurses were the backbone of the medical structure during the pandemic. He praised their commitment and sincerity and stated that their relentless service helped the state overcome both the first and second waves of the pandemic. Chief Minister today chaired a meeting with Chief Secretary, officials of Education Department, SCERT, BOSM, COSM, faculties from universities in presence of Education Minister T.H. Basanta Singh, deliberating on some crucial issues regarding the syllabus of the state's education system. The meeting was deliberated about inculcating local elements on some proposed subjects: history, social science, moral science, and environmental studies. General Manager Northeast Frontier Railways briefed the progress of the ongoing construction work of Imphal-Jiri railway lines, which is in the final stage of completion. The General Manager also informed the Chief Minister about the proposal for commencement of Rajdhani or Satabdi Express to Imphal as soon as the project completes. General Manager proposed to implement the Ring Road Railway Service project around the periphery of Loktak Lake foothills as a JV joint venture project to promote state tourism. Google officials on Thursday announced that it is adding 24 new languages to its Google Translate tool. Out of the 24 new languages, the 8 newly added languages are Meiteilon, Assamese, Bhojpuri, Dogri, Konkani, Maithili, Mizo, Sanskrit. These 24 new languages have been added using zero-shot machine translation, where a machine learning model only sees monolingual text. Eastern Motors has officially unveiled the next-gen Ertiga at Maruti Arena showroom at Jingmeirong in the presence of General Manager Arena along with Senior Relationship Manager today. The Ertiga is a complete family 7-seater car and is equipped with state-of-the-art technology and is powered by a 1.5K series engine. The new Ertiga comes with smart hybrid technology and is available in 6 color options: Pearl Metallic Auburn Red, Dignity Brown, Metallic Magma Grey, Pearl Metallic Oxford Blue, Pearl Arctic White, and Splendid Silver. Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar has been appointed as the new Chief Election Commissioner of India. President Ramnath Kovind has cleared his appointment. Mr. Kumar, the senior-most election commissioner, will resume the charge of office of CEC with effect from 15th of May. He will replace incumbent Chief Election Commissioner Sushil Chandra, who will be demitting the office on 14th of this month. Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates. after the break. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal, celebrated International Nurses Day 2022 today at Jubilee Hall, RIMS, Imphal, to commemorate birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, pioneer of modern nursing, on the theme Nurses, a Voice to Lead, Invest in Nursing and Respect Rights to Secure Global Health. The program was organized by RIMS Nurses Association, Lamphilpad, Imphal. In an operation conducted by Imphal East Commando, one drug smuggler who have been identified as Thanglian Mang Zo alias Mangcha 43, a resident of Churachandpur, have been arrested from Rims Road, Lamphel. During the operation, 10 soap cases of suspected heroin powder and a mobile phone have been seized from the possession. On further investigation, the accused admitted that he had frequently transported heroin from Churachandpur to Imphal and delivered it to one Roger of New Chakon. In another incident, Senapati police have apprehended one person who has been identified as Paugin Mang Kipgen 23 of Kangpokpi from Saparmena Bazaar and recovered approximately 12 grams of suspected brown sugar. A truck loaded with wheat fell into Rikuri stream from the bridge about 1 kilometer south of Krizupi village on the Imphal-Dimapur road at around 2:10 p.m. today. According to Senapati District Drivers Welfare Union's Vice President El Daili, the driver of the ill-fated truck died on the spot and the helper is missing. One of the most accident-prone area along the Imphal-Dimapur highway at Makan Chakume stretch of the road is left with unnoticeable attention by the concerned authority. The said stretch has witnessed multiple accidents in the last few years and fatal casualties were reported. The connecting bridge between Makan stretch and Chakume stretch is in a dilapidated condition for some considerable time. If special attention to either repair or construct a new bridge is not taken up immediately, the lifeline of Manipur will be cut off very soon. The Alliance Force of Karenni National Defense Force has arrested 5 junta soldiers alive, including a major rank, seizing a large weapon this morning near Moibai town on the border with Shan and Kaya in the east of Myanmar. The local Alliance Force has launched a surgical strike against the junta forces outpost at the village of Hitiri at the west of Moibai town in Shan State, arresting 5 members of the junta alive and seizing a lot of weapons. The attack is carried out by Battalion 3 of Karenni Nationalities Defense Force KNDF and Karenni Army KA. The border guard of PAO International Organization PNO are sent to step up security in Moibai area. Before we wrap up with today's bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren extends International Nurses Day greetings. And meeting chaired with officials regarding syllabus of the state's education system. That is the end of today's English Bulletin at 6:30. Stay tuned to Pony Television for more updates.